Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to block a number or contact in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. So at first open up your phone app. Now here you can see a unknown number. If you want to block this number, just tap here, then tap on this icon. Now here at the bottom you can see block option, then just tap on block, then tap on block again. And it's done. Now the number has been blocked successfully. Here you can see a icon, which means the number is blocked now. Also, if you want to block a contact, just tap on contacts and then choose contact from here. If I select this, then tap on this icon, then tap on more, then tap on block contact, then tap on block again to confirm it. And it's done. Now the contact is blocked successfully. Now if you want to unblock this number or contact, just go back and then tap on three dots, then tap on settings. From here tap on block numbers, and here it is. From here you can find your all the block number or contacts. If you want to unblock this number, just tap on this minus icon, and that's it. Now the contact has been unblocked successfully. And that is how you can block number or contact in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.